What's the meaning of anarchist? Anarchist. 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 Anarchist.
Anarchist refers to a person who believes in the abolition of all forms of government and the establishment of a society based on voluntary cooperation and mutual aid. Anarchists seek to create a society without hierarchies or centralized power structures, where individuals are free to make their own decisions and organize themselves without interference from the state. While anarchism has historically been associated with political violence and social upheaval, many contemporary anarchists advocate for nonviolent direct action and grassroots organizing as a means of achieving social change.